Welcome to our comprehensive overview of Bitvavo, one of the most popular cryptocurrency platforms. Bitvavo offers an easy and intuitive way to trade, buy, sell, and stake cryptocurrencies. To start, visit the homepage, where you'll see a clean layout designed for both beginners and seasoned traders. At the top of the screen, you'll find key navigation tabs for the dashboard, trading, staking, and wallets. On the dashboard, users can view an overview of their portfolio and quick access to their account performance metrics. To start trading, head to the Trading tab. Bitvavo supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and various altcoins. Users can easily place market and limit orders. For advanced users, the trading interface includes charting tools powered by TradingView, making it simple to analyze market trends. If you're interested in earning passive income, navigate to the staking section. Bitvavo allows users to stake supported cryptocurrencies directly on the platform, offering competitive rewards. Simply select a cryptocurrency, enter the amount you wish to stake, and confirm your action. Rewards accrue automatically, and you can monitor your earnings in real time from the dashboard. Before we continue, here's something exciting. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Security is a top priority for Bitvavo. Users can enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, and benefit from cold wallet storage, ensuring funds are safe. Depositing and withdrawing funds is seamless. Bitvavo supports multiple payment methods like SEPA transfers, Ideal, and more. Withdrawals are quick, making it convenient for users to access their funds. Finally, the Help Center and FAQ section provide valuable resources for users. If additional support is needed, Bitvavo's customer service team is available to assist. That wraps up our overview of Bitvavo. To explore these features and start earning rewards, click the sign up link in the description to get your bonus as a new user. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more tutorials on cryptocurrency platforms.